Hey, hi everyone. Today we are tackling a pressing global issue that's making waves in the tech world. Reports suggest President Donald Trump is considering a policy to block US tech companies from outsourcing jobs to India, a move tied to his America First agenda. This could have far reaching consequences for Indian economy and its booming IT sector. We will explore what this means for India, its workforce, and its future. Let's dive in. So, what's behind this potential policy shift? The idea is to bring tech jobs back to the United States, targeting the reliance on foreign talent through programs like the H-1B visa, where 70% of people are Indian workers, according to 2023 the US data. This comes amid heightened US India trade tensions, with 50% tariff on Indian goods imposed since August 27, reflecting protectionist stance influenced by a key advisor. The goal is to boost American employment, but the ripple effect could hit India's 200 billion IT industry, employing over 4 million people and contributing about 7.5% to the nation's GDP, square in the center, with the US accounting for over 60% of India's 190 billion software export market. This policy could disrupt our critical economic lifeline. Let's break down the impact. First, let's talk about jobs. A ban on outsourcing could lead to significant layoff or wage cuts in India tech sector. Industry estimates suggest a 10% drop in export revenue could put our 4 lakh jobs at risk. That's not just statistics, it's a families and communities feeling the pinch. Second, the broader economy's fallout. India's IT sector fuels growth or relation industry like telecom, real estate, and education. Economy analysis indicate that US driven policy shift combined with the existing tariff could shave 0.5% to 1% of India's GDP growth this year. With the 50% tariff already cutting 0.8% of GDP, according to recent reports, business might struggle to stay afloat. Third, the global market positioning. Experts suggest India need to diversify its export market, perhaps towards Mexico, the UAE, or China, to cushion the blow. But with competitors like Vietnam and Bangladesh enjoying better trade terms with the US, India risks losing ground in key sectors like textile, pharmaceuticals, and its IT service. But there is flip side to the challenge. This policy could push India to build stronger domestic tech ecosystem. The government has signaled supports for exporter with potential tax cut and incentives, aiming to bolster resilience. With a young skilled workforce, India could pivot to serve emerging market or accelerate its own digital transformation. Take Global Capability Center (GCZ) low-cost hubs for multinational firm industry projection. Forecast the center could add 126,000 jobs in the 2025 alone. If India leveraged this movement, it might spark a tech nations, turning a crisis into an opportunity for innovation. So, what's the bottom line? In the short term, this policy could cost India billions and threaten millions of jobs, but it also challenged the nation to reduce its dependence on the US market. On the other hand, US company might face higher labor cost, up to 30% more based on the 2020 US labor data, potentially affecting their global competitiveness. It's a high stake economy balancing act. So, this is a story still unfolding with debate raging about jobs, innovation, and global trade. What are your thoughts on how India should respond?